when prophets make dua, they make dua for akhirah, they make dua for forgiveness, yeah? They make dua for their future generations, isn't it? Listen to this dua. قَالَ رَبِّ اغْفِرْ لِي. He said, Master, forgive me. وَهَبْ لِي مُلْكًا. And give me the gift of kingdom. لَا يَنْبَغِي لِأَحَدٍ مِّن بَعْدِي. That is not even appropriate for anyone who comes after me. إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ الْوَهَابِ. You are the one who continuously gives gifts. What is Sulaiman alayhi salam asking for? First thing, forgive me. Second thing, he asked for kingdom. Okay, that's deen or dunya, by the way, by our standards. It sounds like dunya, isn't it? How in the world is this appropriate? The beauty of this dua, number one, is his top priority. Ya Rab, forgive me. A human being can only do so much in this life. I'm only going to live so many years. Then I'm going to be leaving this earth, whether I like it or not. My date is done. The only thing that lives after me is what? As far as my akhirah is concerned and my forgiveness is concerned, I can make astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. I can make tawbah to Allah. I can cry before Allah only so many years. Only so many times. But what can help me earn Allah's forgiveness even after I die? It's called sadaqa jariyah, isn't it? Something good you leave behind. The hadith will tell us your sadaqa jariyah could be your money. One of the most beautiful forms of sadaqa jariyah is what? Your children, they do good deeds after you, yes? Allah has given different people different blessings. Some people have money, they don't have children. Some people have children and they don't have money. But al-malu wal-banuna zinatul hayatid dunya. Money is a part of the beauty of this life. Children are a part of the beauty of this life, isn't it? Now Allah gives certain people certain capabilities and other people other capabilities. If you study the prophets in the Qur'an, they don't all have the same talents. The thing about Sulaiman alayhi salam, his special ability is governance. He knows how to even control the rebellion of who? Of jinn. So he has an unusual capability of government and controlling resources and making things, putting things to service. Now, is that a common quality or a very rare quality? The more absolute authority you have, the more absolute problems you have. Absolute power corrupts absolutely. Now, Sulaiman alayhi salam is in a unique position. He has kingdom and he knows how to use it for good. What kind of sadaqa jariyah can he leave behind? Unmatched. He sees an opportunity for his akhirah to be reconciled by the talent that Allah has given him. And the talent Allah has given him is remarkable. He had an incredible kingdom, an incredible control, incredible stability in his land, over human beings and over jinn. So he says, Ya Allah, expand this territory for me. Give me kingdom above and beyond this, like you will never give to anybody else after me, because I know what Allah has given me. Some people, they can't handle fame. Some people can't handle money. Some people can't handle a compliment. So the first thing you have to recognize is what is your weakness and what is your strength. And once you find your strength, then you ask Allah to give you and give you and give you in what you have strength, so you can put all of it to the service of Allah's deen, so you can leave a legacy. Ya Allah, if this is not going to mess me up, then give me more of it, because I can put it to work for your deen. Like Uthman radiallahu anhu should be asking for more wealth. He should ask. You know why? Because even after being a millionaire, does the wealth mess him up? No. Someone like a Qarun should not ask for more wealth, because whatever he has messed him up enough already. So not everybody's going to ask for the same thing. Because the strength of Sulaiman alayhi salam is he has power, but it doesn't corrupt him. So he asks Allah, give me more and more and more and more and more of power, so I can take all of it and serve what? Your deen. And when you ask Allah, what did Allah do for him? Look at in the next ayah. فَسَخَّرْنَا لَهُ الرِّيحَ تَجْرِي بِأَمْرِهِ رُخَاءً حَيْثُ أَصَابَ وَالشَّيَاطِينَ كُلَّ بَنَّاءٍ وَغَوَّاصٍ وَآخَرِينَ مُقَرَّنِينَ فِي الْأَصْفَادِ هَذَا عَطَاؤُنَا. I made the winds submit to him. I made shayateen do work for him. Others I made dive deep into the ocean for him and pull out its treasures. Others I put in chains in prison, the ones who wouldn't listen to him. I put them in chains for him. This is all what we give. So for you and me, identifying what our strength is, and then making a pledge to Allah that we will use it for the strengthening of this deen, for leaving a legacy that is longer than our own. That is perfectly normal. That's not asking for dunya. As a matter of fact, even if you benefit from it somewhat, it's fine. Because you take from it what you need, and you give from it what will build your akhirah. Because what was the priority from the very beginning? Rabbi, ighfirli, forgive me. This is all in hopes of earning Allah's forgiveness. No matter how many good deeds I do, they're not going to be enough. So I keep doing good deeds even after I'm dead.